everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do my BOXYCHARM unboxing. I know it's super duper late, but I literally just got my box yesterday, but you're going to see the video tomorrow if that makes any sense. It's Tuesday. Okay, no, you're going to see it Thursday. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, without blabbing on about it, why does this look, my phone looks all crooked and stuff. I don't know, it looks off. Anyway, yeah, if it's slightly off, I apologize because it's, I don't know, it just looks slightly off. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to put information about BOXYCHARM down below, including the price changes for Premium and Luxe Box, which Premium will take place on November 1st and Luxe Box will take place on December 1st. So I'll leave all that information down below. I just have to update it a bit. So this is what my box looks like inside. And the theme this month is Spellbound. Okay, there's a little bit of a story behind this box for me. The choice items were between a product from Glow Recipe. It was like a skincare product. A product from Tarte, which was an eye cream, and a highlighting palette. So I picked the highlighting palette, which is right here. And it's not listed on my card, so I can't give you a price. I'll try to remember to put an annotation up here. This is from Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlight Palette. So this was my choice. I got an email from BOXYCHARM about a week after I picked my choice, saying that this was going to be sent out separately and that there was an item in my box that I could keep. So basically this one, what I'm trying to say, I sound so messed up because it's been a while since I recorded, but what I'm trying to say is I ended up with 6 items this month instead of 5 because they made a boo-boo and they gave me one of the other choice items instead of this one, and then they corrected it. So way to go, BOXYCHARM. That's awesome on your part that you corrected that right away. So this is the Milk and Honey palette by Beauty Bakery. Some people got this in, sorry Odie, I'm not gonna throw boxes at you. Some people got this in their premium box back in September, I think. So this is what it looks like. It has, well, this color is going to be way too dark for me, but I could use it as an eyeshadow. So they're Oh Honey, Queen Being, Spoiler Alert, and Be Sweet are the colors. And I'm going to swatch them for you guys. I should have took out a wipe. I'm going to keep this because this was what I chose. I think this Be Sweet right down here might be a dupe for, color-wise, it might be a dupe for Becca Champagne Pop. So there's what the colors look like, if you guys can see them there. I gotta get a baby wipe because I'm going to be full of swatches and I'm going to be full of I'm going to have it all over me. Okay, I do want to swatch that next to Champagne Pop. I'm sorry, it's an unboxing and I'm going to swatch and look for dupes. But I have to because I'm panning my Champagne Pop. I do have a small one, but I'm just curious, guys. Because this, you could probably get the 4 highlights for the same price that you would pay for the 1 Champagne Pop. So, alright, so here's Champagne Pop. I don't think it's a formula dupe though. Okay, I'm gonna, and this is the color from the, oh, that's not a good swatch. Champagne Pop's a bit lighter. This is Champagne Pop and this is the one from the palette. You guys see that? Pretty close though. I bet you they look similar on the skin. But anyway, sorry, I had to investigate that. Let's continue with the unboxing. So this was my choice item, like I said. You got to choose one choice item for regular base box. Alright, I already opened this, as you guys can plainly see. So let's go through the next item, which was another choice item, which is the one that I get to keep, which is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops Ultimate Glow. You can use this just as a serum on your face, or you can use it as like your last step before makeup. I'm gonna take it out because I get rid of boxes all the time. As long as it shows the thing on the bottle of how long it's good for. Okay, it doesn't show it on the bottle. Yes, it does. It's good for 12 months once you open it. I'll use this up very quickly once I open it anyway, but that's what it looks like. Hey, light bulb, bright idea. Yeah, I know, I'm a goof. Anybody who doesn't know me already, I'm a goof. Okay, that retails for $34. That's US dollars, so it's going to be worth, I think it's $45 in Canada. Alright, let's see what else I got here. Trace Loose Beauty. I am SYBSCRIBING Divina Set. Okay, that is this. And I'll show you what this is, but I'm not going to swatch it because I don't think I'm going to keep it. Okay, so it came with a set of lashes, which are very, you're not going to be able to see them. They're very wispy. And it came with an eyeshadow palette. Look at the packaging. Totally my aesthetic, the blue. I love it. But the colors are, I'm going to save the safety seal. Like, oh, they are really pretty. But I have colors like these in other palettes, so, like, oh. I know I won't keep the lashes for sure. I'm unsure about this. They are very, very pretty. I just want to put my fingers in it, especially that gold. But I won't touch it because I don't know. Somebody else could probably get better use out of this than I will. So, because I have these colors in other palettes, obviously. You guys know I'm like an eyeshadow junkie. So, that retails for $25. The next thing is also from Trace Loose Beauty. And it is a multi-use makeup base sticks. No, I read the wrong thing. I love Artista brush set. I read the wrong thing. I'm sorry. These are worth $27. These are pretty. I'm going to get rid of the packaging because I usually always keep brushes. Look at these. Look at the cobalt blue. Oh, right up my alley. Right up my alley. They're pretty soft. I didn't fully look at everything that I got, so I'm kind of enjoying some of the stuff with you guys for the first time, because I didn't take these brushes out before, so now I get to fully take them out and have a look at them. So you got like shading brush, a blending brush, like a pencil brush, and like an angled brush. Here's what they look like, and they're pretty soft. I felt softer. I felt ones that aren't as soft, so I'll be keeping those. The next product in here is from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. These are the multi-use makeup base sticks, sorry. So look, it looks like a little boom box. And these basically, how much do these retail for? These retail for $20. I'm all over the place in this video, guys. I feel like I'm so bleh. But anyway, these are two, like, they're like crayon, eyeshadow crayons. So you have, do they have names on them? Jazz. This one's in Jazz. And this one is in Hip Hop. And I want to know if this one can be used as an eyeshadow base or a primer. So I will try this at some point. Oh yeah, I think that could be definitely used as an eyeshadow primer. And then this one is a little more, this one has like a sheen to it. It's like a coppery color. They're pretty. Definitely gonna have to try those out. There's what they look like. And then last but not least is from Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes, and they retail for $20. This I'm not super excited about, but they will get used because I use these for taking swatches off and stuff. But I'm just going to put these in my backup pile because I have wipes that are open. I use a cleansing balm to clean my face from makeup, and the reusable towels, like the makeup eraser, like I use towels like that. So that's what I use to remove my makeup, and then I wash my face after that with regular soap, like face soap. So these I don't really use for that purpose, and I usually don't buy, well, you know, I'm lying, I do buy, because I buy these ones to take swatches off. So I'm still being a little bit wasteful, but I need something to take my swatches off. For the job that I do here on YouTube, I need to swatch stuff to show you guys. So I apologize. I'm not being completely environmentally conscious, but I think these ones might be, maybe I'll try to find a biodegradable option. I don't know. But that is what I got in my BOXYCHARM. And like I said, BOXYCHARM did make a mistake, but they literally corrected it before it even shipped out to me. Actually, I got the highlighting palette before I got my regular box. So that was good job, BOXYCHARM, I must say. So anyway, the details will be down below about BOXYCHARM. If you guys get BOXYCHARM, let me know what you got in your box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I vlog and I put those up on Saturdays. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.